Hey, what's up YouTube? First No Limit here, back with another video. And today I wanted to give you another Robinhood portfolio update. Right now I'm investing over $5,000 in my Robinhood portfolio. Today we'll talk about the stocks I'm investing in, some of the stocks I'm looking at, and also some of my dividends that I've received. As of the recording of this video, currently I'm looking at the stock portfolio live. So you'll see the stock price, the value of the portfolio fluctuate. It will increase or decrease throughout the video. So don't mind that. And as you can see, it's pretty quick. It might go up $1, might come down $1. What you're currently looking at is my portfolio watch list. Hopefully some stocks I'll be able to buy in the future to increase the value of my portfolio and decrease the volatility. Some of them are some big name companies and some of them are some lower tier companies. But we'll look into that later on in the video, so stay tuned. So with no further ado, let's jump right into my portfolio and look at the trends. For the past week, I'm up $29. For the past month, I'm up $77. For the past 3 months, I'm up $85. For the past year, I'm up $184. And since I've had the portfolio, I think I'm up about $185. So I made about 3% total since I've had the portfolio. These are some of the stocks that I'm investing in. We'll jump right into each and every one of them. So this is New York Mortgage Trust. It's a REIT. Right now it's trading for $6.20. You can see its trend over the past few months and into the past few years. I'm into this stock more so just for dividends. I'm not really in it for appreciation. I've made $16 since I've had the stock. I have about $2,108 worth of equity, and I own 340 shares. The average cost was $6.15. This stock pays 20 cents per quarter for a total of 80 cents over the course of 1 year. It's beat its earnings per share each quarter for the past year. My next stock is Verizon, which is a large telecommunications company. I still own 1 share of this stock. I believe this stock has a lot of potential for the future because of the upcoming 5G networks, and everyone has a cell phone that I know. So this should help the company to grow in the future. It's grown about $7 over the past 5 years. So it has a lot of potential for growth in the future. My next stock is Prospect Capital. It's trading for $6.64. This stock deals with debt. So basically when people pay them, they can pay us based on the interest of those debts. This stock is currently trading for $6.64 and it pays $6 cents per share monthly. So I have 180 shares and my equity is $1,196. So I have potential to make a lot of money every month from this stock. Right now I'm making just a little bit over $10 per month, which is pretty nice. And you can see I have an upcoming dividend next week from this stock. My next portfolio stock is Lexington Realty Trust. This is another REIT. Right now it's trading for $9.68. I really liked this stock in the beginning because it had a really high dividend, but unfortunately it experienced a dividend cut. The dividend was cut almost in half to 10.25 cents per share, but this stock has appreciated really well. Since I started buying this stock, it's almost appreciated $2. So when we scroll down here, you can see I made $125 just off of this stock since I've had it, which is an 11% return, which is a pretty nice return in my book. I think if you can beat 10%, you're beating the market, you're doing really well for yourself. My next stock is Apple Hospitality REIT. It's trading for $15.94 right now. This stock is also another monthly. So it pays, I believe, 10 cents per share. And I have 11 shares. So I'm getting $1.10 per month. I lost a little bit total since I've had the stock, but with those monthly dividends, I'll be able to recover that in no time. and it's beat its earnings per share for the past year. Yep, and you can see that dividend in there that I'll be receiving. Next stock is AT&T. This stock is currently trading for $33.70 right now. Well, it's going up and down because it's a live trading day. This is another large telecommunications company, which I hope will jump on the 5G bandwagon and provide that service. And hopefully the stock price should increase because that service is going to be very expensive. It pays out about a 7% dividend yield quarterly. So I think for my next dividend, it will be next month, August 1st, I believe, and I'll be receiving $3.06. So pretty nice dividend from that stock. My next stock is Coca-Cola. This stock has received a lot of appreciation since I've had it in my portfolio. Right now it's trading for over $50 per share. I only have one share, so I'll be looking to increase the number of shares that I have in the near future. You can see over the past 5 years it's made $9.84, which is over a 30% return. And my total return has been almost at 15%, which is great. And this stock has increased its dividends every year for the past 30 years. My next stock is another stock that has done really well. It's Main Street Capital. It's a REIT. I have 2 shares of this stock. It's trading for $41.97. It's just been on the up and up. So I have 2 shares. I originally had 1, and I'm looking to increase. And it's paying 20.5 cents per share. So I'll be receiving 41 cents monthly for the next couple months. When I originally bought this stock, I believe it was only paying 19 cents. So it's increased its dividends by 1.5 cents. This is an ETF. It's PowerShares S&P 500, low volatility. So what it does is it selects the top 50 lowest volatility shares out of the S&P 500, kind of compounds those and puts those in a portfolio. This is another monthly ETF. Pays almost a 5% dividend yield. So right now I'm receiving 46 cents monthly from this stock. And if you really don't want to take risks, I recommend this is a stock that you buy. You don't have to, but it's just one of my recommendations. I'm not a portfolio guru or anything like that, but it's worked pretty well for me since I've had it. My last stock is Stag Industrial. This is a monthly REIT, and it's been on the up and up. I feel like this is another strong addition to my portfolio. It's been kind of on the up and up for the past 5 years. I've made about 5%, almost a 5% total return since I've had the stock, and it pays almost a 6% dividend yield. And it's crushed its earnings per share, so I'll be looking to add some more to my portfolio in the up and coming months. Later on this month, I'll be receiving a 48-cent dividend from this stock. So those kind of encompasses all the stocks that I have in my portfolio. Right now, we're just moving down into my watch list. Some big stocks like Apple. Really don't invest that much right now, but I'll be looking to add some of these stocks to my portfolio. These are some more REITs. Luckin Coffee is a kind of a Dunkin' Donuts coffee or a Starbucks coffee of China. This is a new stock, so I'll kind of see where it goes. I may be looking to purchase the stock in the near future because apparently it offers really good value coffee. Microsoft, Shopify, trading for over $300 a share right now. MPW, I believe that's another REIT. Yep. NRZ. This is another investment REIT. McDonald's, another big stock that's continuing to increase over the course of time. Walmart. Disney, I feel like this stock also has a lot of potential in the future because of the streaming service that it's going to offer later on this year. And a lot of kids love Disney, so they're going to make their parents buy it. So this stock should increase in the near future. Yep, some Vanguard REIT funds. Some ETFs that have increased over the past years. Procter & Gamble, 3M, which provides a lot of everyday products like tape, Post-it notes. I believe 3M makes those. Salesforce, Google. It's like the big kahuna, trading at over $1,100 a share right now. Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, General Mills. Their stock symbol is Jizz. I always found that really hilarious. Starbucks, AbbVie, Consolidated Edison, ExxonMobil, Cardinal Health, Chevron, Target, which has increased its stock price over the past couple months. I believe it was $74 last month. This is another lending company, which you basically get paid off the debt interest. Hartford Financial, which is like a banking system. This is another ETF. And Twilio. So that kind of concludes my watch list. Next, we'll jump into some of the dividends that I'll be receiving. So I'll set the filter to all the dividends that I've received, and you guys can kind of see how I'm doing. So over the past 30 days, I received a dividend from Coca-Cola of 40 cents. This is a quarterly dividend. Main Street Capital is going to pay me 41 cents in a few days later on this month. Main Street Capital, like I said before, pays 20.5 cents per share, so I'll be receiving 41 cents. And I like that they round up, which is very, very nice. Lexington Realty Trust, like I said, it pays 10.25 cents per share, so that's quarterly. This is another monthly stock that pays 12 cents per share. Apple Realty Trust. This is a nice monthly one, Prospect Capital. So that number is going to go up because I now have 180 shares of this stock. This is my biggest dividend that I've ever received, $66.80 from New York Mortgage Trust. So I'll be looking to increase my shares in this company. Verizon is going to pay me 60 cents at the end of this month. And AT&T is going to pay me $3.06 at the end of this month also. I have 2 more shares coming up at the beginning of next month. I went over my dividends really quickly, so this is just a snapshot of the dividends that I'm receiving for the month of July. If you add all of these up, it totals out to be $92.62. Some of the dividends I don't receive every month, like the $66 and the $13. These are paid out quarterly. But if you average my dividends over the course of a year, it averages out to be $41 per month, or about $500 per year. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to listen to one of my YouTube videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any suggestions for stocks that I should buy, please leave a comment down below. I always read all the comments and I always reply. Lastly, there's an option in the description to sign up for a free Robinhood account. This entitles you to a free share of stock, and I'll also receive a share of stock. So if you want to do that, the option is there for you. Thank you and have a great day, and continue to invest and make passive income.